Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I wanted to review my portfolio and see what am I gonna buy tomorrow on Friday. Right now I'm recording my video and it's Thursday night, Thursday October 19. So I want to see what am I down on and what am I gonna buy for tomorrow. So tomorrow I am most likely gonna be depositing a little bit more money than the usual. I deposit around $100 every Friday, and but since I picked up some extra hours about a week ago, 2 weeks ago actually, and I get paid bi-weekly for my second job, I'm gonna be putting some more extra money on there. But before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button. I really appreciate your guys' support. And I do want to give a shout out to some of my subscribers and supporters. Like, you guys have been doing have been great in the comment section, giving opinions and ideas and everything, so which is great. I really appreciate the comments. To Legendary, Maytech, Randy, of course, in every video, Bryce at Apex, SMG 1707, Biohazard, and hopefully I didn't miss anybody. But to all of you guys and to everyone, thank you so much. All right, so my portfolio is 31% ETF, 20% real estate, 12% consumer staples, 18% financials, 2% consumer discretionary, 3% information technology, and 11% healthcare. So let's go into my portfolio. It is the first time that I look at it today, and it is down actually. It's down at $669. I was only down $400 2 days ago, and now I'm down $669. The market has just been crazy. It has been acting very crazy, and right now my wish came through. SCHD is in the 60s right now, so I am going to see how much I can buy tomorrow. And let's see. I'm gonna do my budget in the morning when I wake up. I wake up around 4:30 in the morning to go to the gym. So before I go to the gym, I usually look at my budget on Fridays when I get paid, and I see how much money I can move into my brokerage, my Roth, and my bills and all that. So. All right, so SCHD looks like definitely I'm going to be picking it up as every Friday. All realty income is at $49.42 right now that it closed today. So definitely I'm going to be picking up some more realty income. I am continuing to grow that dividend income, that monthly income. Actually, we'll take a look at it in a second. One that I really wanted to grow is Procter & Gamble. Is ticker symbol PG. I am in the positive right now. I am up 8%, but it just doesn't seem to go down into the 130s. And I really do think I want to start adding like a $5 every week just to continue growing it, even though it will bring up my cost per share. But this is a company that I am planning on holding long term, so I don't mind if it goes up really. So I think I'm going to start doing that. I'll probably buy $5 of Procter & Gamble every week. I'm going to try to make it a challenge. Coca-Cola, of course, is still under my cost, so I am going to most likely be buying more of it tomorrow. I definitely want to continue taking advantage of that. I am down 6% right now, so definitely taking advantage of that dip. Main Street Capital, love those special dividends that they make every other month or every quarter, once a quarter. So it's at $39. My cost per share is $37.86. I'm positive, so I'm gonna see if I buy some more tomorrow. Also, Medical Properties Trust, MPW. I am holding this one long term. Yes, I am crazy. I am for holding this one and for even adding this one. I know a lot of people have mixed emotions in this stock, but I'm not sure. I might buy a share, since it's at $4.64. I think I'm gonna buy one tomorrow. I'm gonna leave it for last, pretty much, and on my buys. If I have some extra money, a couple dollars left, I'll probably buy it. Second Capital Corp, I'm not adding. You guys know it's a position I'm selling. Starbucks is at $94. My cost per share is $88. I'm still in the positive. Definitely a company that I want to continue adding. I've been adding $5 on a weekly basis, pretty much on Starbucks, even though it's above my cost. Apple, it is still very, very high. I kind of want to do the same thing. Maybe just add $5 each week also to Apple, even though it's at a higher price. But it is a company that probably in 10 years from now is going to be way more than $175 a share, possibly. I don't know. We cannot predict the future. I'm not a financial advisor either, but I definitely cannot see the future. But Apple is just such a huge company. The products are so reliable. It has been doing very, very good. My S&P 500 index fund, I'll be adding more to that as I'm doing on a weekly basis. Stag and VICI. VICI, oops, I made some change. Okay, let me do this. All right, so Stag is that. Oh my gosh, I hate when that happens. So Stag and VICI, these are two stocks that I definitely want to continue building, especially VICI. I keep seeing news that some NBA players, some Hall of Famers, they want to definitely invest into putting an NBA team in Las Vegas, which is definitely, these will bring so much value to Las Vegas, so much more than it already has, and it will definitely stay busy. Let's take a look at VICI. Ooh, Tesla. I still have it open from yesterday. It is down even more. Definitely, it went down in the past day after earnings. Went down 9%, almost 10%. So if you want to buy some Tesla, definitely it's looking like this is the time. Post market is 217, so it looks like it's gonna go down even more. So I'll probably be adding some into my growth portfolio. I'm a Tesla fan also. So let's go into right here and let's look for VICI. And definitely this is a company right now. It is down in the last year 4.49%. So it's definitely looking very, very good. Year to date is down 11.56%. That 52-week range, the 52-week low is $27.71. So it's getting very, very close. So it's going to probably hit a new 52-week low soon. The FFO is 246. The price to FFO is 11.68. That it is used. This is what they use for REITs, pretty much. That dividend rate is $1.66 a year per share, and that yield right now is at 5.78%. So this is definitely looking very good and very, very juicy. Market cap $29 billion. So this is definitely a company. And if you guys look at the right now, the analyst, Wall Street, everyone, it says buy, strong buy. Everybody's buying. So the revenue is definitely going to continue growing, as you guys can see here. These are estimates, they're predicting, so it might not be just like that, but definitely this company has been doing so good. And the Las Vegas strip is always so busy. They just keep collecting that rent, and those companies there in the Las Vegas strip, they just continue to make money and money and money. That's just that place is just making money. So definitely it looks like the rent is going to be safe for the next whatever many years. So that payout ratio, we don't do payout ratio on REITs, but right here it says 65%. The 5-year growth CAGR, 17%. That's definitely looking so good. A 17% 5-year growth in the dividend, definitely it looks really good. Years of growth, 4 years. And the latest announced dividend was of 42 cents. The payout date was on 10/5, which I just received that dividend also. This company has just started paying dividends in 2018 pretty much. So it has been growing from $1 per share a year to $1.17 to $1.26 to $1.38 and to $1.50. and this year is definitely looking like it is going to go to like $1.66 around that range. So it's definitely growing very, very good. I'm not pumping this stock. I'm just you know I'm just reviewing it. I really, really like this company, VICI. So I'm definitely going to continue investing in it. J&J, Johnson and Johnson, it is under my cost, and it continues to go down, $152. So I'm really taking advantage of this healthcare sector with J&J and PFE, Pfizer. Pfizer right now it closed at $31, and my cost per share is at 35. Since I started my position when it went down to like 35, $36. That's when I started my position a couple months ago. So I've been buying and adding more. So I'm gonna be adding even more now into PFE. That is $31. Vanguard, VYM is one position. I explained to you guys I definitely want to continue growing it. I want to pair this VYM to SCHD. So I'm going to try to aggressively buy some more. I'm going to see how much I can distribute into VYM and SCHD. KVUE is one of my newer positions. I am down a pretty good amount, $34. And right now it close to $19.84. So definitely looking very, very good. I love their brands. We use their brands here at home, so it's definitely a company that I want to hold long term. Bank of America is a company I did a lump sum. I don't think I'm gonna buy anymore. I am holding to this $800 that I invested in it in here, and I'm gonna see how it grows, and then I'm most likely gonna move on within a year or two. I don't think I am holding Bank of America long term. So here it is. That's my portfolio. Definitely, I have a lot in mind that I wanna continue growing. And let's take a look at my yields. So definitely, it is continuing to grow. SCHD is paying me right now an estimation of yearly dividend of $71.41. So it's going to be around that price. It's not exactly this. Everything that is in column Q is just estimations. These are not actual, since especially like SCHD and VYM, they pay different dividends on every quarter. And then also the companies, they grow their dividend, like VICI, they just grew their dividend this last quarter. So right now I have an estimation total of around $368, which is awesome. I do remember when these were like around this price, like Apple right now, which is $1.40 a year. I remember when a lot of these companies, including SCHD, they were at that much. I remember seeing a comment or a post actually on Twitter X that says, "Oh, don't be posting when you only get like a few dollars of dividend." I don't know, but me, I'm different. I definitely like it. To me, I support that. If you need some support, I'm definitely the person to support you, even if you get $1, $2 in dividend that quarter or that month. It don't matter. Just continue. Stay consistent investing, and it will definitely grow. You can see here, I have been pretty much stayed serious for about a year, pretty much, and I'm definitely seeing growth. And look at this, around $368 a year in dividends. That's definitely, I didn't even think I would get there. So, and I can't even imagine how it's gonna be in the next couple of years. So this is definitely something that keeps me motivated. Definitely create yourself a spreadsheet that can where you can track and where you can see your progress, because that also motivates. It definitely motivates me. I'm not sure about you, but it definitely keeps me motivated to continue to see that growth. Same thing with all realty income. Right now, I should be getting like around $5 every month. with the amount of shares that I have, so which is awesome, and is $66 a year, around $66 a year in dividends. So these are definitely very, very good dividends. Maine is another one that I see right here, $43 a year estimation in dividends. So that is great. I do believe I get more than that since they do the special dividends, and I don't put those right here in column M. So, but KO and PG, these are two that I definitely want to continue growing. I get paid around $12 from them a year right now, but that is definitely good. I want to continue growing that. Most of these companies I am planning on holding long term for sure. So that is very, very good. Another one that pays me pretty good is J&J, around $19. And PFE, I just started buying this one a couple months ago and just being very aggressive. And look at this, it has grown to $15 a year in estimated dividends. So that's definitely, that right there makes me very, very happy. So just stay consistent. Don't listen to others, unless they are people that are supporting what you're doing, for sure. And yeah, just continue. Just continue. It will grow. Even $5, $10, $20. Like what I'm doing. I put $100. And then I just distribute that through my stocks. I put $25 into SCHD and just distribute everything else into all the other stocks and look at how it has been growing. PFE, I was doing $10 here, $10 there, $15 here, $15 there, and it has been growing. Definitely. I am not a financial advisor, so I'm not telling you guys to do the same thing as I do, but I am trying to support any decision or any strategies that you guys make for sure that will make your future better, that your future self will thank you for. So definitely stay consistent. All right. I think this is it. I'll definitely be posting a video on Sunday of all my buys. I'm gonna see what am I gonna buy tomorrow. Once the market opens tomorrow, and then I'll make all my purchases in my in this dividend portfolio, and then my Roth also. I buy every week also in my Roth IRA. So yeah, this is so that's what I'll be doing pretty much. I'm gonna make a video probably on Saturday night, and then I'll post it on Sunday morning for everyone to see. All right, everyone. So I hope you have a good day, and please let me know in the comment section. What are you buying? Do you also buy on Fridays? What's your strategy? I'm really curious. If there's like a better day to buy, if you feel like there's like on Wednesdays is a better day to buy, or any other day. I like to buy every Friday. Once I get paid, I move money into my brokerage and my and anything else, and then I just go ahead and purchase everything on that Friday. Sometimes I do leave a couple dollars just to see if there's anything that comes with a better price during the week. So but that's just me. But most of my purchases, or all of my purchases, I usually do them on Fridays. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can join me in this journey growing this dividend portfolio. I am right now at $8,000, and I am hoping that by next year, next year, I am either double this or maybe more than double this. So I'm hoping I am like around $25,000 in value. All right, everyone. I hope you all have a nice day, and thank you so much. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.